Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then select General Management. Now click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Scroll down just a bit and select Theme section. Finally, just click on the best one for you in order to apply it. In my case, Solid Dark. So now when I click on Home button, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always try something else by going into Devices Settings and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Gboard. Over here you need to install this free app from Google Developer, and when it's ready, hit open. Now choose Enable in Settings and click on this gray sweater next to Gboard. In Attention pop-up, you need to select OK in order to continue. Click on the Back button, choose Select Input Method, and tap on Gboard from the list. Now click on Done and close Gboard app. Finally, go into Settings again, scroll all the way down and select General Management. Then tap on Gboard Settings and hit Theme. Now you can finally scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. Tap on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this little switcher. And when you're ready, click on Apply to save your theme. When I go back this time, as you can see, my theme is colorful, but you can always customize it by going into exactly the same theme settings and tapping on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, select one of those apps or click on those three dots at the top left corner and pick one of those sources, like downwards. Finally, hit your image. I will go with this one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right on this slider. Click on Done. Manage key borders and tap on Apply. If you wish to delete one of your themes, you can click on the chosen one. Tap on this pin icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to edit one of your custom ones, tap on it. Select this pen icon between switcher and pin icon. Make your changes, click on Save and tap on Apply again. Finally, when I go back the third time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, Smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!